गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 9th का मैथ्स 1 सब्जेक्ट का फर्स्ट लेसन सेट वी विल स्टार्ट। ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ सेट। व्हाट इज सेट? सेट इज नथिंग बट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेट इज नथिंग बट द कलेक्शन ऑफ well defined objects, collection of well defined objects is called a set. Well defined object. Now what mean well defined? Well defined का मतलब क्या होगा? Well defined means such objects जिसको हमको फर्दर एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं होना चाहिए, फर्दर एक्सप्लेन एक्स्ट्रा उसको कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं होना चाहिए। सच ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर कॉल्ड वेल डिफाइंड। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक ऑन पेज नंबर 1 some collections are given and we have to decide whether the collection is a set or not. Okay, the first collection is there, days of a week. Days of a week. Now what about this collection? Days of a week. What are the days of a week? Days of a week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. बराबर है? ये क्या रहेंगे उसके? Days रहेंगे, week के days, right? सबका आंसर सेम आएगा, सबका आंसर एक ही आएगा, well defined। इसको फर्दर एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं मुझे कि डेज ऑफ द वीक मतलब और क्या होगा, डेज मीन्स व्हाट, वीक मीन्स व्हाट, इसको एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सच ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर कॉल्ड वेल डिफाइंड। बस इतना एक्सप्लेन कर दिया हमने, इतना कमेंट कर दिया डेज ऑफ अ वीक। सामने वाले के दिमाग में फौरन आता है, उसके माइंड में फौरन आता है व्हाट इज डेज ऑफ अ वीक? इट इज मंडे टू संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे। सो दिस कलेक्शन इज अ सेट। दिस इज वेल डिफाइंड है, ठीक है। Now second example is that months in a year. Months in a year. Months in a year. समझ में आया? Months in a year यानी साल के महीने। Months in a year, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September up to December. This is also well defined. Okay, so this is also a set. Now the third example is given as brave children in the class. Brave children in the class. अब brave children, अब यहाँ पर brave children means brave आप किसको बोलेंगे हम लोग? How we can define the term brave? अब उसको फर्दर एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा। brave किसको बोलेंगे हम लोग? जो क्लास में ज्यादा मस्ती करेगा, जो दूसरों पे रैगिंग करेगा, उसको brave बोलेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है। किसको ब्रेव बोलेंगे? We can't recognize the brave children in the class. नहीं कर सकते हम लोग। Okay, so this collection is not a set. उसको हम लोग नहीं बता सकते, एग्जैक्ट नहीं बता सकते कि brave children हम किसको बोलेंगे और उसको कैसा आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे चिल्ड्रन को, ठीक है। So such collection is not a set. It is not a set. Remember this. It is not a set. Now fourth example is given as first 10 counting numbers. First 10 counting numbers. First 10 counting numbers. Now what are those counting numbers? First 10 counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Those are the counting numbers. So this collection is well defined and therefore it is a set. कमेंट करने के बाद में फर्स्ट 10 काउंटिंग नंबर्स अगर किसी को पूछेंगे तो क्या करेगा? हमको 1 से लेके 10 तक के नंबर्स काउंट करेगा। ओके, सो दिस इज वेल डिफाइंड एंड देयरफॉर दिस कलेक्शन इज ए सेट। ओके, स्ट्रॉन्ग फूड्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। फिफ्थ एग्जांपल इज देयर, स्ट्रॉन्ग फूड्स इन महाराष्ट्र। स्ट्रॉन्ग फूड्स। अब स्ट्रॉन्ग फूड्स किसको बोलेंगे हम लोग? स्ट्रॉन्ग फूड्स, इसकी डेफिनेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग फूड्स किसको बोलेंगे? ठीक है, बिकॉज फोर्ट्स आर कैसे? फोर्ट्स बहुत साल पहले बने हुए, लेकिन अब हम उसको कैसा रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे कि ये मजबूत है, है ना। कोई स्टूडेंट बोलेगा भाई ये प्रतापगढ़ जो है वो स्ट्रांग है, कोई बोलेगा रायगढ़ ये स्ट्रांग है, वी कांट रिकॉग्नाइज, नहीं कर सकते हम लोग, ओके। एंड देयरफॉर दिस इज ऑल नॉट ए सेट, तो ये भी क्या रहेगा, सेट नहीं रहेगा। समझ में आ रहा है ना, क्योंकि स्ट्रांग की डेफिनेशन हम लोग यहाँ पे डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते। स्ट्रांग हम लोग क्या बेस पे उसको स्ट्रांग डिफाइन करेंगे, ओके। सो दिस इज नॉट ए सेट। देन प्लैनेट्स इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज प्लैनेट्स इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम। प्लैनेट्स बता सकते हैं अपने सोलर सिस्टम के जितने भी प्लैनेट्स है, that you can recognize, okay, and therefore this is a set. So this is a set. So these are the some examples how we can decide whether the collection is a set or not. There are so many examples, बहुत सारे examples है इसके अंदर, okay, जिसके अंदर collection होएगा, जैसे for example the collection of vowels, the collection of consonant, right? So these are the sets, and the clever children or clever boys or clever girls in your class, in your school, है ना, such collections are not a set. The rich man in your city, how we can recognize the rich man, कैसा recognize करेंगे, so such collection is not a set, okay. So these are the definitions, or these are the some examples of collections, whether the given collections are set or not, okay. Now the sets are denoted by capital letters, capital A, capital D, capital C up to capital Z, okay. And the objects that forms the set is called an element of the set, okay. जो ऑब्जेक्ट से सेट फॉर्म होता रहेगा, that object is called element of that set, denoted by, those elements are denoted by small letters, small a, small b, small c, small d and so on, okay. For example, if there is a set A containing elements A, B, C, D, okay. So here capital A, that is the name of the set A, okay, and small a, small b, small c and small d, these are the four elements of the set A, elements of the set A, and we write those elements in this curly bracket like this. In this curly bracket we write those elements. We differentiate two elements by putting comma between them. दो elements के बीच में क्या करेंगे हम लोग, comma put करेंगे, and after that we write one element once in a set. कोई भी एक element जो है हम लोग कितनी मर्तबा लिखेंगे सेट में, only once, एक ही मर्तबा लिखेंगे, remember this, okay. Then here small a is an element of set A denoted by this A is an element of set A. Small a is an element of set A. This is the notation form for this statement. A is an element of set A. We denote this statement as A belongs to A. Belongs to A. We read it as A belongs to A. Similarly B belongs to A. Similarly C belongs to A. Similarly D belongs to A. But E does not belongs to A. That means E is not an element of set A. Here E is not there in the given set A, and therefore we write it as A does not belongs to A. We read it as E does not belongs to A, set A, okay. So this is the definition of set A, and how we write or how we denote sets, how we denote their elements, okay. And this is the notation, belongs to. If A is an element of A, then we write it as A belongs to A. We read it as A belongs to A, B belongs to A, C belongs to A, D belongs to A. But here E is not there in set A, so we write here E does not belongs to A. We write it as E does not belongs to A. Okay, इसमें कोई doubt है? Now further, remember the set of numbers. The set of numbers. First set is the set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. So set of natural numbers is denoted by capital N, and N has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, the counting numbers. The counting numbers are called the natural numbers, and that set N contain element 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So this is the first set of numbers, that is called natural numbers. Second one is set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Okay, and that W has element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the set of whole numbers. Now next one is set of integers. Set of integers. Set of integers denoted by capital I, and integers are this -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Positive natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers with positive sign, natural numbers with negative sign, and containing 0 with 0, that is the set of integers denoted by capital I. Okay, then next one is set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers are denoted by Q, denoted by set Q, and last one, that is the set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. So set of real numbers are denoted by capital R. Okay, so these are the set of numbers. ये ध्यान में रखना है तुमको. Natural numbers denoted by capital N. In examples only capital letter N is used. That means that set is a natural number set. Okay, then sometimes W is used. That means the set is set of whole numbers, set of integers. Q, if Q is used, then Q is used for set of rational numbers, and that capital R is used to denote set of real numbers. Okay, so these are the set of numbers. Now after that we will see the methods of writing set. Methods of writing set. So first method is, there are two methods. First method is listing method. Listing method or roster form, or roster method, roster method, listing method or roster method. So in this listing method we form list of elements. Elements की क्या करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पर लिस्ट फॉर्म करेंगे. क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? लिस्ट फॉर्म करेंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल one example is there. Question is like this: write the following set in roster form. Write the following set in roster form. First, set of even numbers. So here first method is listing method. In listing method we form the list of elements for given statement. Okay, to understand this we consider one example from practice set 1.1. Question is like this: write the following set in roster form. Roster form में क्या करना है तुमको? Following set को लिखना है. So first set is given set of even numbers. We denote that set by A is equal to even numbers. Even numbers, the numbers which divides by 2. Okay, that number is called an even number, and those numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Those are the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. These are the, so we form here list of even numbers, okay. Now second example is set of even prime numbers, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 15. So set of prime numbers we denote that set by B. Set of even prime numbers. Now what is prime numbers? First we define prime number. Prime number, the number that comes in their own table. जो नंबर्स खुद के टेबल में आता रहेगा, किसके टेबल में? खुद का टेबल जो रहेगा, जैसे ओन टेबल में, ओन टेबल 2 1 2, 3 1 3, 5 1 5, 7 1 7, 11 1 11, 17 1 17, 13 1 13, 17 1 17, 19 1 19, 23 1 23, 29 1 29, 31 1 31. Such numbers are called prime numbers. ये नंबर्स कैसे? प्राइम नंबर है, खुद के ओन टेबल में, ठीक है. एंड वी नीड इवन प्राइम नंबर. So first prime number is 2 and 2 is the only one prime number which is even. So this is the list of this statement. Okay, this set. So B contain only one element, that is 2. Okay. Now the third example is set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. So that set will be denoted by C, and we see here set of integers. Integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positive numbers and also negative numbers. But we need only negative integers. Negative integers are this -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So those are the negative integers. ठीक है. And the last example, that is the 7 basic sound of a sargam or sur. Basic sound, sa re ga ma pa dha ni. These are the 7 sound or 7 sound of the sargam. Okay. So this is the listing method. Listing method में क्या करना है, जो भी तुमको स्टेटमेंट गिवन रहेगा वो स्टेटमेंट पे से क्या करना है, तुमको उसकी लिस्ट फॉर्म करना है, एलिमेंट की लिस्ट फॉर्म करना है. Okay, that method is called listing method or roster method. Now we'll see the next method. This is the second method of writing a set. This is the first method, that is listing method or roster method, and the second method is a rule method or set builder form. This is exactly opposite of this. Here list is given, from that list we have to write the set, we have to write the property of those elements. To understand this, we'll consider the next example. We'll take one example to understand this. Example is like this. Write the following set using rule method. Write the following set. Write the following set by a rule method. रूल मेथड, उसका रूल लिखना है, जो भी प्रिंसिपल रहेगा वो प्रिंसिपल लिखना है. ओके. फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज दैट a is equal to 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 100. Okay. So list is given there, 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 and 100. List is given. From that list we have to write the rule. We have to write the rule here. Okay. So we write rule for this given set as A. Capital A is the set of element X. Capital A is the set of element X such that X is equal to n square. Take here, X is equal to n square. X is the set of element X. A जो है वो क्या है? That set A is the set of element X. What is X? X is nothing but we define X as X is equal to n square. What is n? N is nothing but the natural number. Okay? N belongs to n. N is a natural number, and there is one condition. Natural numbers are infinite numbers, but we need up to 10, because 10 square is 100. That means our n must be less than 11. Must be less than 11. Must be less than 11, or the natural number which is less than 11, that means up to 10 we have to consider. Okay, if you take n is equal to 1, then you will get 1 square. 1 square means 1. If you take 2, then 2 square is 4. If you take 3, 3 square is 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 is equal to 64. Up to 10 square, that is 100. So this is the listing form of this set 1, 4, 9, 16. And the rule method for the same set as A is the set of element X. We read this set A as A is the set of element X such that X is equal to n square. N belongs to n and n is less than 11. Okay. Now the second example is B is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48 up to 48. Okay. So this is the list 6, 12, 18, 24. So if you observe these numbers, then these numbers are the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. So we write this set B as B is the set of element X such that X is equal to 6n. X is equal to take 6n. What is n? N belongs to n, that is n must be a natural number and that natural number must be less than 6 8s are 48 is there. 6 8s are, that means 6 into 8, that comes 48. So that n must be less than 9. 9 से लेस होना चाहिए. 9 से लेस बोले तो कहाँ तक आएगा? वो 8 तक आएगा. अगर हमने n की वैल्यू 1 दिया तो 6 into 1, 6 1s are 6 आएगा. n की वैल्यू 2 लिए, 6 2s are 12, 3 लिए, 6 3s are 18, 4 लिए, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये उसका लिस्टिंग फॉर्म है और उसके नीचे का जो ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? रूल फॉर्म है. ओके. नाउ द थर्ड एग्जांपल इज लाइक दिस. C is equal to S M I L E. S M I L E. This is the list. अब ये लेटर्स गिवन है S M I L E. से क्या वर्ड तैयार होता है वो फाइंड करना है. वर्ड क्या फाइंड फॉर्म होता है? S M I L E. So S M I L E is nothing but smile. Okay, so we write set C as C is the set of element X such that X is a letter. X is a letter in the word smile. In the word smile. Smile ये word का क्या है? वो letter है. What is X? X is nothing but S M I L E. So in this way, last two examples, D is equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So we write D is the set of element X such that X is a day in a week. Okay, that is the rule. And the last example is X is equal to AET. So AET is nothing but that AET is the word, is a letter in the word eat. Or T also you can take, 8 also you can take, okay. So in this way, these are the two methods of writing a set. First method is listing method and the second method is rule method or set builder form. So remember those two form very important as per exam is concerned. Now we'll see the next example from practice set 1.1. Now the next example from the practice set 1.1, that is question number 2. Write the following symbolic statements in words. Words में लिखना है. Okay. So this is the notation belongs to. So here -4/3 belongs to Q. -4/3 belongs to Q. We write this statement as -4/3 belongs to Q. Here -2 does not belongs to natural number. Okay. So we write answer as -2 does not belongs to capital N. And the last statement is capital P is the set of element P. Capital P is the set of elements small p such that small p is an odd number. So in this way you have to write this set. Capital P is the set of element small p such that small p is an odd number. So in this way you have to solve this example number or question number 2 from practice set 1.1. Okay, same question number 3 and question number 4 you have to solve as a homework. This is the homework for you, question number 3 and question number 4 from practice set 1.1 से जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ये दो क्वेश्चन जो है क्या करेंगे आप लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, एनी डाउट इन दिस? इसके अंदर कोई डाउट है? फर्स्ट हमने देखा सेट की डेफिनेशन. ओके, कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड अ सेट. उसको कैसे लिखना है वो देखे हमने. देन मेथड ऑफ राइटिंग ए सेट. फर्स्ट मेथड इज लिस्टिंग मेथड और रोस्टर फॉर्म एंड सेकंड मेथड इज रूल मेथड और सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. ये दोनों मेथड्स हमने देखे, उसके एग्जांपल्स हमने सॉल्व किए प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.1 से. ओके, नाउ इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल सी द टाइप्स ऑफ सेट. ओके, थैंक यू.